with the full force and strength and the believing God that all things will go well, better than what we've been doing previously. So the preparation of Igbo New Year Festival this year and Igbo Day this year, and also 10 years anniversary of Igbo Ghana, Igbo Throne in Ghana. The preparation is going on so powerfully, and this program coming up on the 18th of September 2022. I expect to see you there. That anywhere you are, come, let's celebrate our culture together. But we have the good news, wonderful news here. The good news here is that the Minister of Tourism in Ghana, they made us to understand that Igbo traditional culture in Ghana is the biggest diaspora culture display in Ghana. And we ourselves will know this, but at least it's so important, so beautiful hearing this from Minister of Tourism in Ghana. And based on the position of our letter and the close monitoring they've been giving Igbo culture in Ghana, again, under good news, UNESCO has also given us endorsement. Remember that UNESCO said in 25 years' time, Igbo language will go away, will fade away. But the same UNESCO today, we are working with them. And UNESCO is an arm of the United Nations. So we are promoting Igbo culture in diaspora here and there, doing the best we can. So please come, let's work together to make this vision better than what we are doing now, because we need you. We need your ideas, we need your vision, we need your strength, we need everything. We need also resources to make it done. Come and let's celebrate together and be a part of this support. God bless you.